Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Marco. Today we're talking about the Canon FD 100mm 2.8. Canon FD lenses have grown in popularity in the last few years because they're cheap, easy to find, reliable, and with cheap adapters like this, you can mount them to Sony mirrorless, Canon mirrorless, or even Canon DSLRs. These Canon FD lenses have no electronic connections because they're from the 80s. They are completely manual and everyone seems to love them, so I was eager to try them. Luckily, a friend of mine owned two of them, so he was kind enough to let me borrow to try them out and review and show them to you guys. Right off the bat, this lens sounds promising. I mean, 100mm 2.8, that makes for a good portrait lens, but not just a portrait lens. I had the chance to shoot quite a bit with this one, and I think it's much more versatile than actually just portraits or stuff like that. And the quality, in my opinion, is pretty good. I mean, the build quality is great. These lenses are all metal, all manual. They just work. Plus, these specific ones, this and the other one that I will show you in the next review, they've been passed by from father to son, so they have no fungus, no molds, no stuff. So they're very, very clean lenses and they work perfect. But still, as I already said, you can find FD lenses basically anywhere for any price between $15 to $50 or euros, like here in Europe. And I really hope prices won't inflate because, once again, these lenses are gaining much more popularity by the day. Overall, there is not much to say about these lenses, they're pretty straightforward, so let the images do the talk. There we go, those were some pictures and some clips I took with this lens in the past couple of months, and I have to be honest, I do understand why people like Canon FD lenses. They are good lenses, they are reliable, well made, well crafted, sturdy and compact. I see no reason why you shouldn't own a Canon FD lens. Well, the only reason would be that you can't mount it on your camera. Too bad. Sure enough, I will buy some Canon FD lenses of my own if I'll ever have the chance. Too bad that I have to give these ones back to the owner. But you'll see another review of the 24mm 2.8 soon enough, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.